Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Ryan, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create monthly and yearly pricing plans and how you can toggle between them on your Wix Studio website. Let's go ahead and get started. So here I am inside of Wix Studio, and the first thing that we actually need to do is come over to our app market right here. At the very top, or here in the middle, I'm just simply going to type in pricing plan and select the first option. And then after it loads, we're going to look for Wix pricing plans right here and just press install or add to site. Now that the app has been added to our website, we have a brand new page called plans and pricing. The first thing we're going to want to do is actually set up some plans. So I'm going to actually select the pricing plans element and press manage plans. And this is going to open up our dashboard. Once the dashboard loads and we're entered into our pricing plans area, we can go ahead and press get started. And we're going to go up to the top right and press create plan. Now what I'm going to do is just call this plan basic. And then you can add all of the cool features that you would get with the plan. What I'm going to do is set a reoccurring payment of maybe like $5 monthly. Length of plan is until canceled, and allow customers to cancel their plan. And you can fill in the rest of this if you would like, but I'm going to go ahead and press save. Now let's go ahead and create another plan. I'm going to call this one Pro. We'll make this one $10 monthly until cancel and press save. And then let's create one last plan. We'll call this one Elite. We'll make this one $15. Set it to until canceled, and we'll go ahead and press save. Now what we just did was basically create our 3 monthly plans here. Now what we need to do is create our annual plans. So we're going to go back up to create a plan. I'm going to call this one basic annual. And what we're going to do is we're going to set a reoccurring payment, but we're going to set this from monthly to yearly, and we're going to set this to until canceled. Now, typically with an annual plan, you want to offer some sort of discount for someone to subscribe for an extended amount of time. So let's say 5 times 12 is $60. So maybe we offer a $10 discount. So the price of the annual plan for basic is going to be $50 instead of $60. And we'll go ahead and press save. Okay, now let's go ahead and add a brand new plan. We're going to call this one Pro. And we'll call this one Pro-annual. And once again, we're going to go to recurring payments, set this to yearly, length of plan is until canceled. And this one was a $10 plan, so maybe we want to offer a $20 discount. So we'll make this one $100 a year, and we'll go ahead and press save. Now we'll do this one final time for Elite, but we'll make this one the annual one. And just like before, we're going to switch the payment frequency to yearly until cancel. And then my math isn't the best, so we'll say 15 times 12 is 180. So maybe we want to offer like a $30 discount with this one. So we're going to set the price every year to 150. I don't know why that was hard math. That was actually pretty easy. With that said, we'll go ahead and press save. And now we have all of our plans. We have both basic, we have both elite, and we have both pro. Great. Now let's go ahead and go back to our website. Now what I want to do now is actually go to a different page. I have a whole page here for pricing, and maybe this is the page that we're going to sell on. Well, what I want to do first is actually go over to add. We'll go to layout tools, and we'll go over to this option for tabs, and we'll just select one of these options right here. I'm just going to choose this one for now. I'm not going to worry about design too much. I just kind of want to show you how to do this. And I'm just going to go ahead and press stretch. And we'll just add like 5% margin on all sides. Just something like that will do. Okay. And what we want to do here is I want to manage tabs, and I want to add a tab. And this tab is going to be for monthly, but I need to spell it right. That would be nice. And then I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of the other tabs. Okay. And in here, what I want to do is simply add our pricing plans, right? So what I want to do is actually head back over to our pricing plans page. And what we're going to do is go into the settings, go to add-ons, and I want to add a plan card list. Now you can do the classic one or the newer one. And what I'm going to do is press add to page, and I'm going to add it to our pricing page, the page we were just on. Fantastic. And what I want to do is attach this to our monthly tab box. And we'll just go ahead and stretch it. Now let's also go ahead and grab the monthly card box, and we'll apply like a CSS grid to it. And for the row, we're just going to set this to minimum content. That way the whole card is shown and it looks really nice. Great. But now that we have this one here, what we want to do with this one is we want to go into the settings, and we want to make sure that these are correctly shown. Like we want to show the basic, pro, and elite, and we can even reorder them if we need to. Great. So these are our monthly plans. Now let's go over to back to our tab selection, and what we're going to do is manage tabs, and we're going to duplicate this one, and we're going to rename this tab to yearly. And with yearly selected, we can then come over here back to our pricing plan, go to settings, and we just want to show the annual plans, and we want to hide the other plans. Okay. And then of course, just like I did before, we're going to go to reorder plans and make sure that we have them in the correct order from lowest price to highest price, which we do here. Fantastic. So now if we go ahead and preview the website, then right here on monthly, we have the $5, $10, and $15 plans. And then if we switch over to yearly, we now have the $50, $100, and $150 plans. And obviously you want to go through here and make it the design maybe a little bit prettier, but overall that is exactly how you simply create a toggle between annual and monthly pricing plans. But that's basically gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more Wix Studio content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I will see you on the next one.